Hello students, we are running with the topic of phenol. In my last video, we did acidity of phenol. Today, I am going to start the preparation of phenol. Okay, so there are various methods for preparing phenol. First is from benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. So we will take the starting material as benzene. Okay, so when benzene is treated with H2SO4, what is formed is benzene sulfonic acid, which is further treated with sodium hydroxide. Then what is formed is sodium benzene sulfonate. Then when it is further treated with NaOH, then the compound formed is sodium phenoxide, which on hydrolysis subsequent forms phenol. Its mechanism is not important, so we are not doing it. Okay, so first benzene, we have taken the starting material. When it is treated with H2SO4, benzene sulfonic acid is formed. And when it is treated with NaOH, sodium benzene sulfonate is formed. And when it is further treated with NaOH, sodium phenoxide is formed, which on subsequent hydrolysis, what is formed is phenol, which we want. So this is the first preparation from benzene sulfonic acid. Okay. Now we comes on the second preparation. Second preparation is from benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. Diazonium means N double bond N. Okay. Benzene diazonium chloride means C6H5 N double bond N Cl. Okay. So again, the starting material we will take as benzene. When it is treated with nitric acid, HNO3 is nitric acid, then what is formed is nitrobenzene. This is nitrobenzene, which on further reduction forms aniline. Aniline, when NH2 group get attached to the benzene ring, is called as aniline. When it is further treated with sodium nitrite and HCl, we get benzene diazonium chloride. Okay, this is benzene diazonium chloride. We are preparing phenol from benzene diazonium chloride, but I have also explained you how to prepare benzene diazonium chloride. So we have taken benzene as the starting material. Okay. On further hydrolysis with acid, what we get is phenol, and we can take H2SO4 or we can also take HCl, anything. Okay, so what we get is phenol plus N2 and HCl as the products. Okay, so first nitric acid, then nitrobenzene is formed, then on reduction aniline is formed, then on treatment with sodium nitrite we get benzene diazonium chloride. This is benzene diazonium chloride. And then on hydrolysis, we get phenol and nitrogen and HCl. Okay. Now comes the third preparation from Grignard reagent. Third preparation is from Grignard reagent. You all must be familiar what is Grignard reagent. Starting material, we will take bromobenzene. We can also take chlorobenzene. Okay, bromobenzene is prepared. Now we treat it with magnesium in presence of ether. Okay, so what is formed is Grignard reagent. Okay, what is formed is benzene magnesium bromide. This is benzene magnesium bromide. Benzene magnesium bromide. Okay. Now, when we did its oxidation, what we get is we get OMGBr. This is benzene oxy magnesium bromide. Then on further hydrolysis with acid, we get phenol along with magnesium hydroxy bromide. So bromobenzene in presence of magnesium and ether, we get phenyl magnesium bromide. On oxidation, we get phenyl oxy magnesium bromide. Then on further hydrolysis, we get phenol and magnesium hydroxy bromide. Okay, this is clear? Now comes the next preparation. Next is a very important preparation which usually comes in your exam is how to prepare phenol from cumin. What is cumin? Cumin is C6H5CH3 whole joints. We will prepare phenol from cumin. First, oxidation will be done. When oxidation will be done, then what is formed is cumin hydroperoxide. This is cumin hydroperoxide. Okay, now hydrolysis will be done, and what is formed? A proton will get attached to the oxygen. When proton will get attached to the oxygen, then what is formed is OH2. When hydrogen will get attached to the oxygen, then OH2 will form. And now, since I have explained you so many mechanisms, so you must have understood, oxygen will get a positive charge. This is a oxenium cation. Okay. Now in the next step, loss of water molecule along with this lone pair of electron will take place. Then what is formed is this. When lone pair of electrons will be removed with water molecule, then what will happen? Oxygen will get positive charge. Okay. Now in the next step, what will happen is intramolecular rearrangement. We have studied this earlier also. Phenyl group with this bond shift here at the oxygen. And when it will shift here, then what is formed is C will get positive charge because the bond with the phenyl group has shifted to the oxygen. Oxygen will be satisfied and carbon will get positive charge. Now in the next step, hydrolysis will be done, and then what is formed is a phenolic group, a hydroxy group will get attached to the carbon atom. Okay, now what will happen? This oxygen hydroxy group has attached to the carbon. Now what will happen? This phenyl group along OC6H5 group will remove from the molecule. And when it will remove from the molecule, then what will form is plus OC6H5. Okay, C, and when OC6H5 will form, so oxygen has, C will get positive charge, but oxygen has lone pair of electron, so they will get shifted here. So the plus charge will not come and a double bond will come. Okay, what happened? Then OC6H5 is removed, then this lone pair of electron will shift here and a double bond will be formed. A group like this will form. Okay, plus OC6H5. Now in the next step, what will happen is this hydrolysis will be happened in the next step again, and then proton, now first intramolecular rearrangement was happened, now intermolecular rearrangement will be happened. And intermolecular means this proton will transfer to the another molecule, this OC6H5. First it was happened within the molecule, now between two molecules. So this proton will be shifted to OC6H5. And when this proton will be shifted, then it will again get lone pair of electrons. Okay, so a compound will form like this. Two compounds will be formed. One is phenol and the other one is acetone. CH3 whole twice C double bond O. Okay, I explain you again. First cumin is oxidized, then we get cumin hydroperoxide. Then on hydrolysis, a proton will get attached to the OH group and O will get positive charge, which will remove in the further reaction. And then oxygen will get positive charge and an oxenium cation will be formed. Then intermolecular rearrangement will be done, intramolecular, and this phenyl group along with the bond will shift at the oxygen atom. Carbon will get positive charge. Then on further hydrolysis, what will happen? On further hydrolysis, OH will get attached to C, which then C6H5, this group will break and will removed from this molecule. And then after that, this group will be formed like this. CCH3 whole twice C double bond OH, OC6H5. Double bond comes from the lone pair of electron. And then what happened? A proton shift will be done. A proton intermolecular rearrangement will be done, and then C6H5OH, acetone and phenol is formed. So have a good day.